Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can use Artboard inside Adobe Illustrator and how we can use this Artboard option. So here we have this already. I'm open Adobe Illustrator. So here I'm already have this one Artboard in my Adobe Illustrator. So here how we can add more artboard and what is the usage of artboard. More than two artboard is mostly used for business cards, mostly used for those things that require more than one page. So here if you use this as a business card for the front page, if you want to use back page for your business card, you need more artboard so you can design your front page and back page. And also not only for business card, maybe you're going to use it for more pages like profile, you can use it for magazine, you can use it for different purposes. So different artboards can be used inside Adobe Illustrator. When you open this Adobe Illustrator, you can see this toolbar, design toolbar, which is available inside Adobe Illustrator. So here you can see this little icon with the plus on the left point on the top. So here it's all artboard options. So if I click here, so you can see now this is my artboard. So I can actually move my artboard from this portion to this portion. I can make it the size is now, you can see now it's 835 pixel by height 2000 pixel. And also you can see the X and Y. If I move it onto this place, you can see the X, and if I move it up, and the Y position is going to be changed. So here you can actually give height for your this artboard. You can give it a wide, and you can use this Y position and X position for your artboard. And also you can see we have this reference point. If you actually, this reference point is actually on the center, it should be reference on the center, because you are going to not actually use it here. If I actually put this reference on this portion, so I can actually move my artboard anywhere. So reference point should be on the center. When you put this reference on this point, or you can put it on this point, so the X is going to be actually changed. So here you can see this reference is based on the X and Y. So I can actually move this anywhere. So here I can actually copy, and I can actually if you want to copy, so here if we want to actually paste, this is not gonna work, because if you want to add more than one artboard, so here you need to add this new artboard. So this is going to select a copy from the selected artboard. So if I click here, so you can see one artboard is now created from the selected one. So I can change the name from here. I can change it to back page or second page, and I'm going to rename this front page. So here you can see I can select my two artboard from here. So if I press shift, so I can actually select and unselect my artboard. So if you select your artboard, so from here you can actually click on the portrait, or you can make it landscape, or you can actually select a different size like iPhone 6/6s or iPhone 6 Plus or iPod Pro, or from here you can select iPod Mini. So here you can see for iPod Mini I have this big space between these two artboards. So here, from here, you actually can give a specific size to your artboard. And also we have this option, move slash copy artboard with artboard. It means that, let me show you practically. So here, if you click here, you actually select this artboard, you can move it anywhere you want to. So what if I want to move it along with a shape? So here maybe you're going to design a shape over here. So here I made this rectangle. So here let me select I'm already made this rectangle. So here if I want to move this, so if this is actually not selected, so here if I move this artboard, you can see this shape doesn't move with along with this artboard. So what if I select this one? So if I select this move, so here if I move this artboard anywhere, you can see the shape along with the artboard is now moving along with the artboard. So it means if this option is selected, so I can move any design inside this artboard to my Adobe Illustrator. But if this is not selected, so I can only move my artboard here. And also we have this artboard option. So if you click here, but before going to that artboard option, let me make a copy of these artboards here. Let me control minus, so you can see we have 3 artboards available here. So here if I put this artboard over here, so let me add another. So here at the last you can see rearrange all. So if I click rearrange, so I can select rearrange or grid by rows, I can select grid by column, I can arrange by rows, or I can arrange by column, or I can actually select this change to right to left layout, or change to left to right layout. So from here I'm going to select this one, and you can add more rows and also spacing between them. So if I here you can see move artboard with artboard, artwork with artboard. It means move everything that's with the artboard. So all this is our artwork inside our artboard. So here I'm going to OK. You can see that this is actually rearrange all my pages. You can see this is my first, second, third, and this is the fourth one. So from rearrange I can actually arrange all my artboards if you are going to use many pages and this is really messed out inside the Adobe Illustrator. So this is going to help you to rearrange all your pages, your artboard like this. And here if you double click here, you can see this artboard option, but also you can access this artboard option from here as well. If you click here, so from here you can actually change the name. This is the artboard that's selected already. I can change the name, I can change the size, I can change the preset, which is all the size available inside. Fit artwork bounds. So if I select this one, this is going to fit artboard bounds only. So here I can select the white, I can select the height, and also I can select the X and Y position. I can do it the same thing for the landscape and also for the portrait. And here we have the constraint. You can see this is now we have this constraint hover here between this but if you uncheck this one, this is going to unselect or move this constraint. So here I can also select this show center mark. So if I select this one, this is going to show us the center mark here. So let me OK. You can see this is the center mark that's showing here, center of your artboard. So if I click here, so show cross here as well. So let me OK this. You can see this is also going to show this line. This is going to show you that this is the cross lines for your artboard. And also if I click on the option, so we have this show video save areas. So it can show me, and also I can add a video ruler pixel aspect ratio for this. So I'm going to OK this. You can see now we have these lines over our artboard. So according to this, you can start designing your vectors or your shape or your object inside this place. And also let me click on the artboard option. We have this fade region outside artboard, so you can see this is the fade out. So only this places the white that's showing this is the artboard that you're using, but outside that it's fade out. So if I uncheck this, you can see now I can see this is my artboard because I already turned on these marker hairs for my artboard, but I actually uncheck this fade region outside artboard. So you have to be careful about this. If you didn't see this fade out outside your artboard, sometimes you're going to put your object or shape outside this fading place. So this is the fade out, fade place, or fade out place, or anything you name it, you're going to put it. And also you can use update while dragging. So here it's going to I'm going to OK. And also you can use the press alt drag cursor to duplicate our board as well. So here I'm going to OK. So here if I select this artboard and press the this alt, so I can actually make a copy of this artboard from here as well. So this is how you're going to use artboard with Adobe Illustrator. You can use this mark, you can use many more options, and this artboard is really going to help you in creating many pages inside Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something. If you want to be a professional designer, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to follow and if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to press the bell icon and the subscribe button as well. So see you guys until next video.